This is our project for a hackathon organized by our college. As you could have already guessed from the web page, this is a budget tracking website. We have tried to keep the UI as minimal as possible. Here you can see our core features, what users say about us, and if you have any problem logging in, you can always ask question, contact us, and you can also check our privacy policy and terms of service. All of these are working. I'll show you quickly. You can check this out. I'll move on to creating a free account. Here you have to give your username. I quickly filled up this page. You will create our account, and this will take us to our login page. Here we will set our username. Let's just give student and give a random password, and we are logged in. As soon as you log in, you will have your profile here. You can edit your profile or check out your profile. Here you can add your photo, change your name, change gender, add profession, give a little description about you. We are not going to do this right now, so we will cancel it and go right to our dashboard. This is our dashboard. This will gradually get filled up as you add more transactions, set goals, add budget. So we will check out our transaction page. Let's add a transaction. As we are student, we will give minimal amount 2000. We can select the category here, as we can keep it on either income or expense. We will start with income. Allowance, you can add a description. We will start our given date today. You can also change the date. We'll add our transaction. As you can see, it has instantly updated to your total income, total expenses, and your current balance here. Let's see, also add an expense. Add new transaction 50. Category, I like coffee, so I'll choose coffee, and add transaction. Here is your total expenses and your remaining current balance. As you can see, we have limited categories, so you can add your own category here. Category name ABC, select type, income or expense, add category, and your category will be updated here. Select category. This is your ABC category. So let's quickly move on to our budget. Let's say you are spending too much and you want to control your budget. Set your first budget. Let's say you are a girl and you can't stop shopping, so you'll select category shopping. Budget amount, let's say you are a college student, so no more than 500. Here you can adjust your start date from here or here, and you can either select monthly or weekly. If you select monthly, it will track to the end of this month, which is 30 for 2025. Let's set our budget. Here is our budget with a beautiful and minimal CSS. Your recent transaction here. Okay, let's move on to our next page, which is goals. Let's say you want to save money as a student. We all know how hard it is to manage money, so you can create a goal here. Goal name, let's say emergency fund. You want to save for your emergency. Amount, let's say 600. Your current saving is 0. This will be automatically updated. Let's just give date 30/06 to the next month 2025. Okay, you can set your priority here. Let's set it to high, and as you can see, suggested monthly contribution has correctly been updated, and create your goal. Yes, your goal is created, and you will get a progress bar to track your progress. You are currently at 0. So let's move to our dashboard. As you can see, as you have added more transaction, budgets, and goals, it has correctly adapted. You can get saving tips here. Your spending inside, as you have seen, we have spent only on coffee, so our high spending is coffee. Expense breakdown. This will get more sophisticated as we add more data. Your income and expense trend. Here is your saving goal. Here was your budget, recent transaction. Let's say I have saved 100 rupees today. I can quickly add 100, or if I have saved 500, I could have add that, or if I have saved 50, I could have added through that on custom. Let's say I have saved 100 today. You can see 100 added to emergency fund. Let's fill our progress bar by adding more and more. Okay, we are all the way. Congrats, you have reached your emergency fund, and you get a nice little message here. You can continue saving more or mark this as complete. I don't want to say more, so I'll mark this as complete. This will take you to your completed goals, and you can see you have successfully saved your emergency fund for this month. Say we exceed our budget, so we'll add transaction amount. We say 700. Category expense, clothing. You can give your date, add transaction. As you can see, you get a warning. You have used 140% of your current clothing budget. Daily budget has exceeded. You will get this notification here. Your remaining balance is here. Your budget is exceeded by 200 rupees, and this is your emergency fund. Okay, last part, reports. Here you will get your report. We have added two options, line and bar. Let's see the bar. You can see your monthly income and your monthly expense here. The line is not so much as we haven't added much transaction, so I'll add more transaction and show you that. Here is your expense breakdown. You have spent this much on clothing and only this much on coffee. Income only allowance. So let's move on to a more data. We have moved on to a user who have had more transaction, added more budgets and goals. So here is your spending inside. Your high spending category is course material. Okay, he's studying very much. Here is your expense breakdown. As you can see, this is much sophisticated. Your income and expense trend for different months. In February, your income was much high and your expense was much low. Also, this guy is spending very less, but this month is as his income rose up, he spent more on his expenses. Here is his budget as recent transaction, saving goals. We have set many goals here. This is not completed. These are all completed. Okay, now we'll move to our reports and show you the line I was talking about. And this is the line as I've previously shown. And the bar you can check for different months how you have spent. This is your income. This is your expenses. As your income rose, but your expenses are very less this month. Your income very high and you spend more. Okay, your expense breakdown, income breakdown, financial insights, top spending categories, all here. Yeah, so you can see you can correctly manage your income and expenses through our website. Let's say you have added many transactions and want to say how much you have spent on a certain category. We will have to add this on a filter. Let's say category coffee and type expenses. We'll filter here and this will give your coffee data, how much you spend on coffee. If you want to check on any other, you can check that too. In dashboard you can export report or print it. Let's say if you want to check for a particular day how much you spent or how much you made income, you can give these dates and apply the filter. In our reports you can print your report here and export that to your PDF. This is half yearly report, so you can also change the date for how much date you would like and generate report, and then you can print here. Let's say I'll show you the print option, loading preview, and this will show you, so you can correctly print it. Let's not print it for now, I'll cancel it. And that's all for our website. Thank you for listening.